Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So over here you can see I have my BS3 2016 Duke 390 and I'm actually filming at night. So actually this video is going to be about fitting a full exhaust system of the BS4 Duke 390 to my BS3 Duke 390. So the thing is I actually want to fit an aftermarket muffler to this, but I cannot fit it because there is no provision to fit the end muffler to this catalytic converter, and I also don't want to put a full system free flow exhaust because then it can harm the engine and all that without a tune. So what I did was I've been searching for this for quite a long time, and finally I found a BS4 Duke 390's full system exhaust along with the muffler, but I don't want to fit the muffler. I'm going to fit an Akrapovic aftermarket muffler. But what we are going to do is, in today's video we are going to be fitting this catalytic converter along with the header bend pipe and a decat. So this is all of the BS4 Duke 390 and we are going to be fitting it to mine. So once I fit this, we can straight away put another bend pipe and fit an Akrapovic muffler to this so that we can get a better sound from the engine, and it will basically sound much better. Otherwise, sometimes at certain RPMs this bike tends to sound like a rickshaw, which I really don't like. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the video. Hey guys, so as you can see over here, I finally installed the Akrapovic muffler along with the full system exhaust of the BS4 Duke 390. Now I'm actually filming this 2 days after the initial video which I had told you all about, where I bought the second hand stuff. So now I'm not able to show you the full install process because whatever I had recorded on my GoPro, it all got corrupt. I don't know how. It happens quite a lot of times with the GoPro. I don't know why GoPro can't fix that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to explain all the costing to you all, and I'm going to explain to you how this was fitted. So basically I took the bike to the mechanic, okay, and to install, what they had to do was they had to loosen up the radiator so that they could remove the O2 sensor. This is the O2 sensor connector over here, okay. So they had to disconnect that, loosen up the radiator, and then unscrew the header pipe. So then once that is done, the header pipe just slides out, okay. Then here there was a clamping, as you can see, this clamp and this clamp. Now for the stock exhaust, no, this clamp fits directly over there, okay. Now so this is of the BS4 390, so that there is a lot of space, so you cannot fit that. You have to make a separate clamp for that. So the exhaust is just held by a screw over there down. You can see over there. So actually you cannot make out in the video over here because my camera is not focusing how the exhaust is held. I'll just put up a picture of the exhaust and I'll show you where the clamp is for the exhaust. Okay, so basically this thing fits. There's a lot of space and all, so because the frame is almost similar to the BS4 390, so all of this fits directly. Only thing, there's no support system over here, but that's fine. The mechanic said it's they've done multiple things like that and nothing has happened, okay. So then this catalytic converter is basically quite small compared to the stock catalytic converter of the BS3 390 which I have, so it fits easily, okay. To remove the stock catalytic converter, it's a whole process, takes about 15-20 minutes, very irritating, but yeah, this one fits easily. So then after fitting this, okay, I directly went to another aftermarket shop where they have all accessories and exhaust and all, and they basically gave me this full Akrapovic exhaust along with the bend pipe, and I got it fitted. So this is basically very easy to install and it's a direct fit, okay. Now the costing,
When it comes to cost, the full system, if you go to buy of the BS4 390, it will cost you somewhere around 23,000. That is from the header pipe to this one is the most expensive part. That one costs around 12,500 or something. Then the catalytic converter will be around 4,600, and the header pipe is around 1,550. Then comes this part, the muffler. The muffler, stock muffler, will cost you around 5,000 or so. I don't know. The total costing comes to around 23,000. Whereas I paid now for the full system. The guy who I bought it from, he also gave me the stock muffler. So he gave me the full setup for 8,500. He had actually put an ad for 10,000, but then after bargaining, I got it for 8,500, which I think is a very good price. So yeah, that's it. So now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the sound of the stock exhaust. Then I'm going to compare it to this exhaust, and I'm going to put some flyby videos and riding videos. Okay, so let's get straight to it.